Hello everyone. The human population is increasing in number. The land is becoming scarce. The price of commodities are escalating. And for this reason, majority of the people are finding a challenge to put a decent meal on the table. And that's why I want you to make use of that little space at the end of your yard. You can do this by electing a chicken coop on top of each other. Remember, going up is not limited. It's only the going wide that is limited. So get bags, fill them with soil. The waste products you are getting out of the chicken coop or the chicken production, mix with that soil. That way, you end up getting fertile land. Get vegetables that are easy to plant and don't require a lot of maintenance. You can get spinach, kales, coriander, onion, beetroot, etc. Doing that, you get to know the source of your vegetables. Remember, a shilling saved is a shilling earned. So, you get 100% out of your chicken production since you are utilizing everything, starting from feeding the vegetables to the chicken, getting the manure from the chicken, getting meat and eggs from the chicken. That way, you'll be a proud chicken farmer. Was it helpful? Kindly support by subscribing. Thank you.